How to turn off voice scan on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off voice scan on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar like this. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is just go to the top right here and click on the settings option. After it takes you here, scroll down until you find voice scan. Now click on it and you will be able to turn it off from here, as you can see. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.